My name is Scott Curran. I'm with Going Man. Today we'll be going over the P4 RTK processing steps in P4 RTK. So after you've edited out everything, you will move into step 3. Step 3 is where the DSM, the Orthomosaic index, is going to be created. So you go in here, click the step 3 tab here. You do have the ability to export the Orthomosaic in a KML, which is really nice. You can just send that to your clients or your customer and let them know what their job site looks that day tied into Google Earth. You can do the additional outputs. This is your DSM grid outputs here. You can come down here to the contour lines. You can export out a shape file, a PDF, or a DXF. Most CAD will accept the DXF. Contour base is going to start at 0. I have my elevation intervals at 0.1 of a foot. Due to the fact that if I'm building a surface off my contour file, I get a more accurate surface at 1/10 of a foot. I get more contour lines to build that surface off of to compare to a design surface or a month previous flight surface to get up-to-date cut fill maps and to see how the job's progressing. You just hit OK here, click step 3, hit start. After step 3 is done, you will get a file. If you go back into your P4 file, your job site file name, and go into 3D Ortho, you go into the extras buttons here. This is where your contour files are stored. I'll open up the PDF so you can see what the PDF version of that site contour files looks like. And you can see from this file at 1/10 of a foot, you get a lot of contour lines, so you can build an accurate surface off of this contour file. Another export out of step 3 will be the Google Earth mosaic. I'll open up, you just send them this KML or double click on this KML. It opens up Google Earth. So here is that Orthomosaic that I created out of P4 tied right in to Google Earth. So this makes for a good job progression photo. So all these layers will be stored in over here. So if I just unclick this layer, that's what that site looked like before I flew it. That's what it looks like now. So you can see how this would be a good job progression tool for your customers, clients, GCs, whoever may be. But other than that, that's about all the steps in P4 to get the P4 RTK data processed. Now granted, there is another way to process the data coming out of the P4 RTK, but stay tuned and we'll put together another video to go over the PPK processing steps with the P4 RTK.